So guys, in this tutorial, we'll see that how to capture the screenshot and how to set that in extent report. Okay, जो पहले के दो वीडियोस आपने देखे हैं उसमें फर्स्ट वीडियो में हमने सिंपल एक्सटेंट रिपोर्ट कैसे जनरेट करते हैं वो डिस्कस किया. In the second video, I explained you to generate extent report with multiple test cases. We created one testng.xml file and we executed multiple test cases and we generated extent report. And in this video, we'll see how to capture the screenshot and how to set it on extent report. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So let's start it. So I'm not going to create a new project. I will use the same project and I will write down the code in a specific test cases. Okay, in a specific test case we have created three test cases. One is a compare header text, second is a compare welcome text, and third one is a skip test case. Okay, we have three test cases. Okay, now first of all, during the training, okay, we talked about one method. एक मेथड मैंने आपको बताई थी कि स्क्रीनशॉट कैसे कैप्चर करते हैं. So the same method I am going to copy and I will paste it in the specific class. Okay, so package I'll create one package with this name utility, and I'll create one class, let's say my library. All right, and that my library class extends base init. Okay guys, जिसने वीडियो 1 and 2 नहीं देखा है वो पहले देख लेना, otherwise you will not understand this concept, because why we have created base init, and in base init class what we have written. Okay, as we have created two methods and with two different annotations. तो पहले एक बार वो methods देख लेना. Okay, so video 1 and 2 just refer it. Okay, now the method जो हमने training में देखी थी, that is get screenshot method. Okay, so same method I am just going to copy and I will paste it over here. Fine guys, I'm not going to explain this method. Well, we have already seen that before. Okay, so I'll make some changes in this. Let me import everything. जो भी नहीं है ना उसको एक import कर देते हैं. Let's say WebDriver, take screenshot, that is the interface, and file, output type. Okay, file handler, Selenium, and IO exception. Fine. Okay, now this is the path. Okay, this is the location where I want to generate my report. No, just a second. Okay, जो भी हम screenshot capture करेंगे उसको कौन सी location पे store करना है, that is a path. So system.getProperty user.dir, this will capture the path of your project. Then src main resources and screenshots. Just hold on. Src main resources and screenshots. Let me check. Yeah, we don't have it, so let me create a new folder or package, that is screenshots. All right, and the image name, whatever the image name, that will pass when we call this method, and will pass the driver. Accordingly the screenshot will be captured and will be stored at this specific location. Fine. Okay, now this method is basically returning, this method is returning path as well. देखो ये मेथड पाथ रिटर्न कर रही है. पाथ मीन्स व्हाट, ये जो जो लोकेशन पे हमने इमेज को स्टोर किया है ना वो पाथ रिटर्न हो रहा है. ओके, सो इसका यूज हम कैसे करेंगे स्क्रिप्ट में, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन सम टाइम. एंड आई विल सिंपली मेक दिस मेथड एज स्टैटिक बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट एन ऑब्जेक्ट to access this method. So I will simply write down public static. Okay, and string is a return type because we are returning the path. Okay, now here is my test case. Here is my test case. First of all, that is compare header text, second is welcome text, and third one is skip test case. Okay, now see guys कैसे इसको implement करते हैं. Okay, this is my first test case. URL is launched, then we'll get text. Now after URL open हो गई, right? And we'll simply okay. Now let me capture the screenshot and how to set it on extent report. For that you don't need to do anything else guys. Simply आपको यही method call करनी है. You have to use the same part taste.log. You have to write down taste.log. Okay, taste.log, same status.info. Fine. And in second parameter, there is a second parameter. Okay, and second parameter, what you need to write down, there is a class in extent report. There is a class in extent report, and that is media entity builder. There is a class called media entity builder. Okay, and when you press dot, you can see the method. Okay, you can refer this class. You will find the description in extentreports.com website. Okay, you can go and you can simply refer this. And there is a method. There is a method called create screen capture from path. This is the method, create screen capture from path. Okay, and over here we need to pass the path. यहाँ पे path हमको pass करना है. And second we need to pass the title that you want to give of your screenshot. ओके आपको जो स्क्रीनशॉट का टाइटल देना है वो भी एज अ पैरामीटर आपको पास करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पाथ, जो भी आपका स्क्रीनशॉट है उसका पाथ आपको पास करना है. एंड सेकंड द टाइटल दैट यू वांट टू गिव. ओके, दो चीज यहाँ पे पास करनी है. सो नाउ ये पाथ कहाँ से लाएंगे, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो ये यहाँ पे लाइक आफ्टर दिस आई विल कॉल द मेथड that is in my library class. Method is get screenshot. Okay, get screenshot, and let's say string name I will write down home page. Okay, जो भी image का name देना है that is called home page, and the driver, that's it. So when I call this method will return string value, right guys? Remember ये method क्या return कर रही है, path return कर रही है. Get screenshot method is returning path. So I will write down string home page. I'll give the same name, home page. Okay, string home page. And so this is the image, this is the path. I mean ये जो screenshot store किया है उसका location, उसका path, that is home page. So I will use this home page over here. Fine. And this is my text. Okay, this is my text that I want to, I mean this is a title text. Okay, this is title text. Can I write we can say that page after, no we have not logged in yet, right? That is home screen. Okay, that is home screen. But make sure you need to write dot build. This is important. If you don't write dot build, this particular method will not be executed. So this is very simple, right? Now when you write taste.log, first argument is status.info, or you can say that status.pass, fail, whatever it is. And second argument, that is media entity builder, that is a class, and that class is having method create screen capture from path, जिसके दो आर्ग्यूमेंट है. पहले में हमने जो लोकेशन, जो पाथ है जहां पे हमारी स्क्रीनशॉट है, वो लोकेशन मैंने प्रोवाइड किया, दैट इज होम पेज. एंड सेकंड होम स्क्रीन, दैट विल बी द टाइटल ऑफ माय इमेज. ओके, विल सी, अभी हम रन करके देखेंगे गाइस. सो इट इज प्रीटी सिंपल. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, the same part I'll copy and I'll paste it over here. Okay, and I will write down PASS or else that's okay, I'll copy and I'll paste it. Okay, and I need to capture the screenshot. My library dot just a second. Let's call this result. Can we say that result? And is this result is basically, you know, उसके अंदर path है, and that we have simply written in the first parameter value. All right, so this is done. Okay, this is done. So I can write the same logic in all my test cases. This is my compare header text. Okay, so here after login, okay, here we can write that after login is email address, password. Okay, so here we can take multiple screens. Okay, so after clicking on log yourself in, after clicking on log yourself in, I want to capture the screenshot, and login page, the name is login page. Fine, and here I will write down string login page. Okay, and test.log status dot info, and second parameter value will be media entity builder dot create screen capture from path method, and the same path login page, and the message, this is the message, that is login screen. Okay, this is the title of the page. Okay, and no, don't forget to write dot build over here. That's it. Fine, and after entering username and password, you can just 2 lines I'll copy and I'll paste it after. Okay, login page with values, login page with values. Okay, so because यहाँ पे login page में हमने values input नहीं किया, it is a blank. Okay, over here we'll input email address and password, right? And the page name will be login page with values. Okay, so this name will be over here login details. Okay, login details, and after clicking on sign in button, right, after pressing enter, I'll again copy these 2 lines and I'll paste it over here. Fine, so can we say that this is after login? We can say that this is welcome screen, this is welcome screen, welcome page after login. That's it. Right, now let's run this code, and we'll see in the report. In the report we can see that the screenshot part. All right, so I will right click and I'll execute this runner part, test ng suite. Okay, सो गाइस सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये है, आपको मेथड को पहले कॉपी करना है और माई लाइब्रेरी क्लास में उसको पेस्ट कर दो, राइट? और जहां जहां पे भी आपको स्क्रीनशॉट कैप्चर करना है, वहां पे आपको टेस्ट डॉट लॉग फर्स्ट, लाइक यू विल राइट डाउन स्टेटस डॉट इन्फो, एंड सेकेंड पैरामीटर वैल्यू में आपको लिखना है मीडिया एंटिटी बिल्डर डॉट गेट, लाइक क्रिएट स्क्रीन फ्रॉम पाथ, वो आपको मेथड कॉल करनी है, राइट? एंड उसके 2 पैरामीटर है, पैरामीटर 1 दैट इज द लोकेशन वेर यू वांट टू capture the screenshot, and the second is the title of your screenshot. Okay, that's it. And when you run this, after that you can see see, execution is done. Yeah, execution is done. And the report path, I guess we have given, that is over here. Okay, so I'll go to the location where my report is there, and वहां पे स्क्रीनशॉट होना चाहिए. Yeah. Compare header text, guys, see that, right? So you can see the screenshot, and you can see the title over here. See that this is home screen, this is header text matches. Okay, so this is my compare header text test case. This is welcome test. In welcome text, there are three screenshot. One is a logins page. See, when you click on it, you will see that it is blank. It is blank. Okay, but now in second you can see the page with email address and password. Yeah, see that. तो उसने स्क्रीनशॉट को भी कैप्चर कर दिया और वो रिपोर्ट में भी आ गया. एंड थर्ड वन इज दैट इज अ स्क्रीन आफ्टर लॉगिन. यू कैन सी द नेम ऑफ द यूजर ओवर हियर एंड देयर इज अ लॉग ऑफ बटन अवेलेबल. सो ये रिपोर्ट अगर आप क्लाइंट को भेजोगे तो क्लाइंट कैन सी द लॉग एज वेल एज स्क्रीनशॉट इन अ एक्सटेंट रिपोर्ट. ओके, सो ये 3 वीडियोस आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट करके बताएंगे गाइस. कैप्चर गेट स्क्रीनशॉट मेथड ऑलरेडी हमने ट्रेनिंग में सीखा है. ओके, तो वो एक बार रेफर कर लेना. एंड विद दिस ये पूरा आप स्क्रीनशॉट कैप्चर करके एक्सटेंट रिपोर्ट में सेट कर पाओगे, एंड यू कैन सेंड इट टू योर क्लाइंट. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू.